Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install third-party apps. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to use two steps. The first step, we're going to enable installing from unknown sources, unknown apps. Installing unknown apps, that setting is going to be on the developer function. So follow this tutorial step by step. I'll take you through ensuring you are a developer, ensuring you have the capability to install a third-party application. And when that is done on your Google TV, we're going to head over to a browser where I'll show you step by step how to search for and download a third-party application up to the process of installing it. So follow along step by step, and this should work for you with whatever application you desire. So let's get straight into the video. On the top bar, you see navigating to quick settings. You want to do that and move to all settings. Now when you're in all settings, scroll down to system and you find the system setting that says about. So click on about and scroll down to see the TV OS version, the kernel version, the TV OS build. So this is the TV OS build. The build number is right here. You want to tap on this 7 times. So you see me tap 7 times, you see a message popping up saying no need, I am already a developer. Yes, this is because I've already done this and I'm not a developer. But in your case, when you tap it 7 times, you will see that you have become a developer. And when you see that message, that's time for you to proceed to the next step. So you're not a developer. To confirm that, you could just head over to the settings again and scroll up. So under settings, come down to system and scroll down so you see developer options. Having this right here, this was not here before. So seeing this right now means you have become a developer, and you can head over to step 2 of this tutorial. Now in step 2, you'll be utilizing a browser. So I'm going to use the browser app. You can use any browser of choice that works for you. So I'm using browser and I'm going to be searching for an application. We're looking in this tutorial on how to download and install third-party apps. A good third-party app, as an example, is the VLC application. So here, I'm going to type in VLC, and note that I'm typing VLC APK. So this is how you do it. It's a third-party application. VLC is a very multi-compatible and powerful video player. It has a lot of uses and it's a very key application for Android devices. I'm using it for this example, and you see me type VLC APK. Now I want you to scroll down, navigate to this website. For instance, is Malavida. The Malavida website. Just come to that website and click on the link. This will grant you a link to download VLC. So VLC, of course, in this setting is a third-party application. So if you've been looking to download third-party applications, this is the way to do it. Just come here, click on VLC app, and this will load the page where you find the download button. On the download button, give it a second to load. But you want to click it immediately it's done. So right there, mine is complete. I'm clicking the download button, and that will immediately begin my automatic download. Now click on this download button and give it some time to download. So you see the download is at 82%. Immediately it is done, you're gonna hit 100% and you'll find the install button. So when you hit install, just like in the previous video I did, you're going to see allow from uninstall, that's allow unknown sources from this application. So using the browser application, that's the one you want to click. And when you click on it, it's going to allow you install an application from that source. But if unknown sources are not toggled for that application, the application will be denied. So that's how that's how you can download and install an application, so that the VLC application from any browser of your choice using the two steps we just discussed. And I hope that was insightful. If it served you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.